Whether you are a Grammarly premium subscriber or simply use the free version, you can use Grammarly within Microsoft Outlook as long as you are on a Windows PC. Unfortunately, the Grammarly integration is not available for Outlook on Apple Mac. So in this demonstration, I'm going to be doing everything on a Windows computer. Okay, with that clarification out of the way, let's get started. To begin, we need to download the Grammarly integration app for Microsoft Office, which we can get by logging into our Grammarly account in a browser. If you have the Grammarly extension already installed, you can simply click on the icon and go to My Grammarly, or alternatively go to grammarly.com and you can log in from there. On the home page, you might see the link at the top of the window to download the Office integration, in which case you can click the red button. Alternatively, if you click on Apps from the left-hand menu, you'll see the first option there is the Office installer, and we can click Install to begin the download process. Once the download has finished, open the installer and just check you have Word and Outlook closed before continuing. Grammarly is compatible with both Word and Outlook, so you can choose whether you wish to use it for both applications or just the one. Click Finish to complete the installation process, and we can now open Outlook. All being successful, you should now see Grammarly listed in the menu. Before we can start using Grammarly, we need to sign in again, and you can do this from the Grammarly menu, but I'll show you how to sign in and use Grammarly by creating a new email. I have some text complete with typos and punctuation errors ready for this process, so I'll copy that and create a new email that I'll send to Anthony@facultyofapps.com. I'll call it Welcome Back, and I'll paste my text in there. To start using Grammarly, I'll click on the button here and I'm prompted to sign in. Since I'm already logged in, having previously downloaded the app, I shouldn't need to log in again. And there we have it, confirmation that everything is working. And now if I go back into Outlook, we should see our connection to Grammarly has been established. And there we are, now I can start using Grammarly to correct my email. I'll make the recommended changes. I don't want to sign up to premium, so I'll click maybe later, and I'll just change this W to capital and hit send. I can see Wilson has replied to me, so I'll reply to him. And you can see Grammarly recognizes I accidentally added a double space, so I'll correct that. And there we have it. That is how to install and use Grammarly in Outlook on Windows PC. And that's it. I hope you found the video useful. For more videos and tips like this, you can subscribe to my channel and check out my blog, facultyofapps.com. Until next time, thank you very much for watching.